This is Andre Banks coming to you from Banks Credit Chat, talking about a new way to improve your credit score or actually build your credit if you've never had credit before. It's called a credit builder loan. Now, I've done some videos before about new options in terms of loans itself, but the credit builder loan seems to be the best option out there in terms of improving your credit score actually or building credit for the first time. And it works a little bit different than most other loans in that case, because instead of receiving the loan payments or repayments up front, we pay the balance over time by making monthly payments into a CD or savings account. And at the end of the loan term, sometimes with the interest paid minus the fees, you actually get to keep the money. So it does not only does it actually give you the option of building your credit history, it also allows you to create a savings or CD account at the same time. So the bank disperses or holds the money into a savings account, CD, certificate of deposit, as I mentioned before. And you're making fixed monthly payments against the loan principal and interest to build a strong payment history. The loan terms are usually between 6 to 24 months, and they report to the credit pay registry as long as you're making the monthly payments on time. Usually a larger loan amounts, so that shows that you can handle debt better. And since again, this is inside a CD or savings account, it gives you is advantageous not only just in terms of improving your credit score. Again, it's also having a CD or savings account when you're building a nest egg at the same time. The reason why lenders are interested in doing this because they're not they're not taking as much risk because they're not giving as much funds at the beginning of the term of the loan. Where you could find these loans, the best way to do for these credit builder loans is to go to your credit union or some kind of community bank. If not there, community development financial institution. A lot more to come with this. I'm just learning about it now and how they operate and work. It just wasn't around before, and now these, especially in the information age, always going to be new, different ways because credit is how we live and how we exist. So consider a credit builder loan if you've never been, it's maybe the best way to rebuild your credit score or improve your credit score if you've had some challenges. Again, I want to kind of reiterate again, they work on the advent of putting money into a savings account or a CD account. And each monthly payment that you're making goes not only improving your credit score, it also helps you build a savings or some kind of savings vehicle at the same time. Look up credit builder loans and type in a Google search. You'll get more information on that, but I just had to get it hot off the press because I just found out I was having a conversation about it and I was looking at some information, and a lot of this comes about. So consider a credit builder loan. Helps improve your credit score, and in my humble opinion, it may be the best thing we have to improve your credit score or build credit for the first time in 2021. If this video has been any value to you, please subscribe, leave some comments. Until my next video for Banks Credit Chat, I'm out.